How to fix blurry Instagram Reels upload in Indonesia. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can fix whenever you're uploading a reel, it is quite blurry, and if you're from Indonesia or any other country, we'll learn how to fix that. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix blurry Instagram Reels, then when you're uploading, whether or not you're from Indonesia doesn't really matter because the process to do this is universally the same. What we do is first, we make sure that our reel itself is in a fairly high quality. If you have HDR enabled for that reel or any sort of setting like that, you just have to make sure that the reel or the video you're trying to upload itself is in a good quality. Now, before we upload the reel, we will just launch Instagram, and also before that, you have to make sure you have got very good internet connection. If you have still you're trying to use the mobile data like 3G or 4G, then it could be quite slow. So if you have 5G or 6G, then that could solve the problem. Now, once you've done that, tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and over here you can see various different options. I'm simply going to go to the option that says data usage and media quality and tap on it. Then here I have to turn on this option that says upload at highest quality. If you have data saver enabled, disable that and turn on upload at highest quality. Now you tap the plus icon, go to the reel section and simply select the reel that you'd like to fairly upload in this case, right? So let me just go ahead and choose this particular reel like this. After you've made all your changes, assuming you've done that, again, you should still tap on the next option. And under it also, you scroll. Before posting, tap on the option called more options. Then from there, you have to again make sure that this option that says upload at highest quality is enabled. So if this is not enabled, your reel could be quite bad at quality. So after you make sure to enable that, tap the share button. And then do not close the Instagram app, do not turn off your Wi-Fi even accidentally. That could mess with the quality rendering process. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.